So just like we had templates for invoices, the interesting part is that we have templates for documents and contracts as well. Let's find out how does this work and what exactly can we do. So this is exciting, interesting, and a little, not exactly. Let's find out what exactly is it. Coming to templates, that's where we can create the templates. I go to, so I can upload a PDF file if I have an agreement format or a contract format in PDF already. I can upload the PDF file, or I can create a template for document or contracts. Let's say I search for sample contract document, or jump onto my Canva for this purpose. Contract. So let's say this is a normal contract that we use. I customize this template a little so as to, so this can be static, the company name, email IDs and all of this. 2 can be dynamic, date can be dynamic. So just say this, thanks and best wishes, all of this. Okay, so this, let's say this is, or maybe we can remove this as well. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, I download it as a PDF, and now I come back to my documents and contracts. I choose on upload a PDF. It's downloaded and here it is. Click on upload. Now I have this PDF uploaded. I'll be directed to a builder, the contract builder basically. Okay, now I can add some fields over here. What these fields could be is, you can see, so you can add an element, add pages, document variables. So what are these variables? Document created date, document reference number, document account name, and add elements. These elements are right here: signature field, text field, date, initials. So I can put in these fields over here. A text field, so your name, to be filled by contact, to whoever you, this is to be filled by me basically. So I would be filling this up. Similarly, you can have a signature, again to be filled by the contact or by me. So I can say that's this, and the date. Okay, again to be filled by me. Now similarly, I can have the same fields added on the right to be filled by the contact. Okay, whoever the contact is, who we are going to send, and maybe a date field and the date field. Now all of these 3 would be filled by the contact. 2, again the contact name. Let's see if we have an option to okay, I can maybe add a text field over here to be filled by me, client name, and so on. I can save this as a template and then click on use it as a template. Now once I click on use it as a template, takes a while to load. You can click on preview. That's how the document preview is going to look like when it is received by the parties. So 0 of 2 fields, so neither have I filled it nor has the client filled it right now. Now once I have it, I can download. Once it's signed, I can download it as a PDF as well. If not, I can click on send. Missing primary recipient, valid product list configuration. Okay, so here I come. Okay, recipients, primary client. So let's say we select one of the names. So here is the primary client who I want this to be received. Sawan is the signer. Global IT HRS is the signer. If I want to add it to multiple recipients, I can add more recipients here. Set signing order. So first I sign and then he signs, or first they sign and then I sign. This could be the signing order. Once I have done this, I can simply click on send via email, share via link. So this is an email would go with the link to this document, or if I can just copy this link and send it via a manual email, however you want it to be done. That's the link for the client, and that's the link for the creator. And that's how you create the template and use the template as well. There's more to it. Let's find out what. Coming back to documents and contracts, templates, I think we imported a PDF. Let's this time do a new template. So this time it would be blank instead of a PDF that we imported. This time this document is going to be blank, and now I can add whatever I want, add more pages and so on. So that's the basic idea remains the same. Next is, let's find out. So we want to create new. I can now use this document and contracts in a workflow as well, which we would understand a little once we are through with the payment tab understanding. We'll go through that in more details a bit later.